morning. I have a super Badwam Ahosepe now, is the fancy doll president for the Brothers and Sisters Association. Sound of Mr. One, more on that. One more some no. Ba, yaba. Yeah. Now, hey, weekendy, Jesus. Yeah, make sure the Mijana will be a Ohunde or you need just some the way say that the Lumba, yeah. If one is always the way see no. Nansono. Share my uncle, the legend Daddy Lumba. Wato na yesie no ye yeneji kwhwe highlights ai mama kwhwe zo kodo Michael Jackson obopuepuem basen kwhwe won mo kita rose flowers wo jinchia basen kwhwe ai won mo wo lunch t-shirts ni nyina chale wo maye kwhwe yi no bloggers fu yi apolice fu yi yeah, she highlights na embraces ya. DL ne highlighting in DL awe ya 1 week ma nimpadom okugu ho pocho ne na the highlights na bro no papa we see o wo chem wanyim kra no ye hu what's lace what's wo wele mu na wala si wo for lace nkata na wele no waka na wono boy we no do ayo ebusepenyin no recom pocho nya America ebusepenyin no kantino ebusepenyin na ye yi osmo ne vision nyina yiro obesie ne de hye we sie no to no no ho asama region epemo kodo okumasa unsembe bre kodo honom ibi na mama ahwe bi no ma yentu edra video bi wo social media ihu de oye kunafo odobroni onye mama yakosu ase wan mba no so wo jinjina honom ache de ondo odo ho ne ntem papa kofuru kada video e de aw ma yenhwe video aw na embra ai the sweet mother odobroni onye na mboframa that luma na mboframa no one more be yin asini nyina na watch a picture come papa from day one I've been preaching asomdwe to know yes this is what we want but sinke yenya yanke ebusu ni nyina baka bom ebusu epanyin ejuma kroso nyina nya wadwuma nyina anyi de ebusu efun wadwuma koyin so beka ebusu abom te ebusuye penyin som ai na ayo ekutia okobɔ ne tribute na ade nyina no ye wo ho nsam wa ha na ye botoe do a menyu kaseti na me kan na ebusuye penyin ebusuye penyin na lunch t-shirt awo so honum kakra na montoe do ai mamu fa da masami ansa na makɔ ebusuye penyin ho wonya abotar na yen kasamfa Daddy Lumba no onyira the KD one relationship Daddy Lumba otase no na the KD tase no na wona bie no chale de bia back to back wo compare wo ho da ma wo chokura chenhwe na ntisi ara no DL ewu the KD nso ewu the KD why na yi DL why na yi mayan kwhwe abrente bebi mpo no lekan yi mpo nche mfa mu bia bata wo hwe abrente bebi re compare yi no hwe ye bie no na ai kwhwe ye legend na yi no na the KD nso na yi no na ye mresisi ai
adenkwara yakana temna no nie ana wojenkwa that's why adenkwa nie adenkwara yakana temna no nie ana we anso ajegon
wani mwana ya kwimenyeji
Also, for the first time, the KD has outshined Lumba in something. Na was a wakanyen. Was the Biana did the KD? Then was that Lumba nature? Pero a bibi or pano. When to one ya womb no second. Into no answer man I no second na ebusuye penyin na wa ma ho kwan ma na nsaka no ebusuye penyin na ka wo first roll ngi de ka ebusuye bom de bisuye fu na o wachi ho baby but de ebusuye penyin ize to park o sie fu first ansa wa hwa aka asam into no mama yan hwa ebusuye penyin fans ala okoji we yase o wie no sisi also wa launch to park no wa dizine atum wa launch to park no on toma by 1st January is ebusuye penyin album about so robonyom mayan hwe ai yan ko hwe ebusuye penyin so ni t-shirt na nyama na launch ni yan hwe mbra
enyumre o ya be launch kase whoa Yalanche. I need to come out in Yalanche. Make us say na mabo surprise. Surprise nene. To park na ye kuram. Che, wo sia na o ka ensro kura. Wo ka na bra no waja. Ensro. To park movement. To park movement. To park movement. Ejenyumre. Meda obibia to park wave to park yes wave yo
Aze to park movement Pocho organize the ya na organize the launch so kan nti no tena me ken 1st January ye hwede enyim mo bedem bia album no 13 songs all about into no to parking ai ojinizi no north side ne de sheet from no ojinchia mo pedo ye nyina na oye no into no all the socials no do adwena mo boa besen kokohwe ai kokohwe e kwa Adom TV ye page no do a ni nyina egu honom ebohum onche bia wo ebusuye penyin na me ya shoda by na obi o socials no so to park movements no wa samarayin ba yanche do go say yi me pere maka ho asem bebre na Kweku Manu aka asem bi afa oye Abu Trica ni arrest no last week no me beka de wachi abrante baby Abu Trica wochima wo so ye romance scam na wo chama da pe wo socials no do papa me de boto do Sarah Mpocho mami yi wana no more response ai into na would say Kweku Manu can't take Kweku Manu na yemresisi a
Ghana you too good to abuse as a percentage say na Ghana yenya we two Ghana gold. Then I say omuti gold board wa. President Mahama ba na say I know my gold board near the FN say yakoda no a do den fion same akoda no a trust me ko fo etim be fire gold ko this time bia na bi say gold ko to Ghana kwa na percentage Ghana say Ghana habo ye percentage say ne wom on the abroad no ma fraud ya che ampa zamba na make you still krom da so fraud we bibi ni kura wo ndo wakoje be say wo kura no say che say we na fire se be ya de bia ye be nko ama wo sometimes na de bia boys so ye o ma dwene ho adwuma na kofi yemfo so de na kakra bi o so ji kakra wo mo nsemu a se banka to banka pane en wo pane sometimes na de bia so de kwa adwene mu a bra ye bre wa Africa ni na fa ye nko mo a swat ase ti nyame hu ye mo
Nyasabu akwa Kweku Manu inyen bra 2 wrongs make 1 right as all your body of one what's all your criminal or a criminal no one samagen young kaseb young candidate be atana make dem for that dem for the defender bra yo onya wunti oy okay do bi ba scam wo no e be hu de onya okay yantu yado na yen hwe bupocho wo fo comment no bra mai Abu Trica no story make man kasam bon watch abrenti be na maka ho asam Leo this you say someone's downfall and I say someone's downfall is someone else's happiness. If you see a man fall, don't laugh but learn. See how you are all happy. They arrested Abu how bra Pocho Menu and J they all do bad things, life goes on. Eric Edu I say if they sell, if they brother, if they sell, some pedestrian I say. Okay, one chair do comments, one another comments. Another comments. One more academy ya kwasia na zingi na ano. One mom na mu comments no. Sarah, aha. Pa Benz, I say, has your government created any jobs for the youth in Ghana? Pocho, yen na ya na bana. Wale ya nkakan kakra. Butu mu aso create a job. Be afraid be entrepreneurship. No so ho. Son of Grace, is it your concern? It is my concern. Me your concern you for a reason. Ona no ja, oze ezibani simu pondo. Wa ba the social media nkoteze motu mekebi. Cause mama kebi a won't you maka at the end of the month and see. And peda maka wasa mama from the socials no do I. First would day. It will cost you also work no day Ghana, brother create was it. $8 million. Our my share for Chobasonco. When you can say in the ball or bubble, a mark on the door, Sarah Mark and eat the door. Aha, pretty gangsters said the white peoples came and took our gold. So we are taking it back, that's all. Brother Shebibi, Quadrana for gold back. Aye, a Bakaku room. AMGC days, I say, are you mad, brother? Mumba na back you be able to be yo. Chale. Ma bodam kakra na ma samu ho yare baso kakra. Mind your speech. Are you serious abua waso GB back ati? Aha. Hwe obi boss Galawe na sara muko mukwa. Wala mangalawe o. Into do hey socials no do. Madam Ahosepe bebre. Brother baby sir. Ton pure water na mebe nye biano. Famam. No wa samanyen. Na yamba sonko beyond control concert no ase. Medical on the concert no what? I'm start kwa de na asa no am highlights. Asa on sara mami ye bi ate. Chon peda mi ye bi. No asa maranyen BYK concert. And as a highlight ni bi na mezabro no me would be the trend papa ambo video no. Na mamu for onkwe 2024 e wo tamale e rabe jina nando 10 hours. Hey, Mr. 10 hours. What of I jam 10 days. Yes ban. Na ye nyina ye TV no one or that because na ye wonder what is she made of. Charlie, 10 days of no sleep. Now, actually, the kind of cuisine so ye Ghana ban Charlie on your Caribbean basso. Is the bunny be back to back, 10 days straight. Mami no yenyipa chef filer on yenyipa. Or mention ha and the pay. Mopocho, good morning.
Good morning.
Nyimpa, momuso mushi.
Oh,
Hey, 10 days of no sleep. Charlie, I had it.
That's it.
Enya so Charlie.
That's it.
That alone. On your easy. Now, after that, what's that?
Okay, before summer to us, no, me better na cry haka cry no. Me share me do for pa. Ebi me fans, ebi me supporters.
Okay.
Ebi ma mati say during cookathon no, omu free all the way from Accra, Kumasi, Florida, other places. Eba honum.
True.
Ebe support but unsana me jina cage ni muno for 10 days ni nyina and even after na me phone ni me nchen ti me da na me nim de course worry asim nyina me the instructions I mam ni say jina ho na continue to make Ghana proud nti enoma na course war grounds ni mo abonte nyina na me nim nti no mesra mo pa obi bia obaye beboa me o ma moral support my day from afar. However, o support many so me obia me so appreciate for say but the fact that now me all contain and me nim the course we sim nina no me PA me press conference and so me da say but yimu no and am penyifo say me de the Ebekasa men can am here then can but regardless o the mature social media obe who say o ma me pen no cry asidam the be ma no ansha now the ebusuan sa ase de acha me cry ntin munyina me gina ha me gusuda mo ase me gina ha and everything na menya from cookathon na me grow kakra no nhira ni nyina ebimbra mo nso mo nche me da mo ase pa.
Hey, into maybe some of the woods that know. No, I am dancing. Into the 2 who I appreciate Papa. You'll be so passes so pa the man letter.
Also, a
passes so like a smiley pa.
Naturally, sana me say I'm so selfless and no need dear. Sana me suba me stremo obi bufu because any brasem no now there o there three but let's say we are 10 in a room and there is a situation obi aye tense there should always be that one selfless friend that with me and mama three and then the life goes on
no one
yeah.
Into my share after cookathon you would know the you will be wabrochi. What's up? After cookathon
area we have food tourism. Okay. Food tourism ne say also be call obi manso beyond wo comfort zone. What come there omo so ye na won so atras aton there e wo momo manso e there momo nti wo be her countries ni bia me call ye no me call Qatar nso and Ministry of Tourism any Ghana Tourism Authority and a call ye ne Mrs. Samira Baumia, former second lady of the country. Ye call honum no na me jumano in the ministry was said men no edwane amam penyin form work at hono in addition to diasporans or me Ghanaians or mo hono men no ye dwane type size amom kan hwe. Okay. It's me bomb me homodin ye live cooking. E wo honum ye different foods. But one of the things is so makuma pa ye bayre. Un say no ye wo ye then say that so mbechi bayre amaye and say ye be noa. But there are lots of recipes me the bayre create ye. Nti ma bayre ni demand as at that time to Qatar very high. Wow. Nti me send out messages so mo do bayre bia wo mine from the northern and southern sectors you know mo so that they get in touch with GEPA. No more who say number export more and bebre na brofuno. They didn't know that aside Irish potato, ne potatoes or munimuno, bayre de sometimes echa potato mpo. Ntino omudi di jollof ne other things are in fact na almost me no edwane no one badge. I had to now cook like 3 times.
Hey.
Cause I brofo ni ya have me koni bibia ya do ko ye ne ya nkasa ye indigenous spice no mo ani aso nti aka de me kromfo so me mom so me mom se me mba bio me kromfo se masa anye ne ba build a superstar ne de abecha mo
yeah
nti ya asampa
hey into no okay so then after them stay no for we juma honum kakra na because it's not what kakra.
Okay, so in fact later no the ministry had to come home and leave me because now in fact the opportunities there was so much. It was so much, but then the pressure on me down here to come back, and also the Nyankopon de I me be from the cookathon. No, I mean, so me they are Badwam minor. I had no option than to leave those opportunities and come back to my country.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Or some word the man Ghana. My into they did fetch you some money, make maybe sika some good contacts being a day able use going forward, Anna.
Okay, so ye bibia na amount for a support yes a bibema bibia ombetimi to their capacity.
Okay.
But any program bia na obeye area from that time you should become whatever you have been praying for in life. You also have to work for some time to be able to kakra but to send America no na me pai say in the future no I'll be able to own my own small restaurant. I me were young girls they are all from vulnerable families. They believe in my craft. You know, without a physical location, they still come to me. Near year from pastries to the hot meals and whatever. Until near Empire Bonnie say, "Ebia meet me support enough after cookathon na near Badwam meet me a small restaurant, you know. Then we now have a physical location because ebinum wo ho side no yes they can trust you enough to give you orders. But that time na me need the kind of heavy brand I have now. Auntie ebinu up a physical location no ba be who gang and some no the some quantitative orders be at the amount. But the fact that kakra enya no it can't still put up such a little structure no still yegusu nenam ho kind of say Freemason ti boha baby orders beto no na me girls pa ti ba kra nyina be orders bia so that
mobile chef
be save kakra emre ne so a ne yetimi enya physical structure.
This year was next what's new with Chef Faila?
Okay, so na meka no before stardom no kra no na me obi I do a lot of stuffs for the youth and with my fellow youth. We don't troop into so many places and then in the end we cannot save revenue for our own cities and continue with development. So I always had this initiative, sir. It drew festive season, sir. I'll put it to work. Now mama and now for Badwam, then we execute it. However I'll get money to finance it, I will do it.
This year project ni abaze.
So this year nankasano project na ye no Christmas behind bars with Chef Faila. Oh, there about festivities say na ye kai obia, but then we mostly forget about the prisoners. Time beyond so ye kase nipa no nyamintina ye mu bi yegina he sebi kwashe na esi wo baabi obi endi boni bi na eche ne kan omo di boni no
obi akasama to no so
obi so de we di boni no or serving a sentence but why remorseful wa fom or say why sorry and fan channel na make an obi so de ye accusing no accusation bi o so aye de beto so obi be twa to so enya agenkwa ne nyame na bejewa de obeye bia until the end of time. No festivities say no SSC a kai omune odo enti asie empire bo and sometimes we just sit from afar na oh momfa pad we nkomo momfa tissue we nkomo but me gina hoy as an international chef no ebinum haime and they will pay for me to come and do a service for them, cook for them, do whatever, advertise for them. But this is a period that Christmas way no me mfa nkoye ejuma bia mobi ma sacrifice me ho me girls and me team ye the beko prisons honum akonoa sumptuous delicious hot meals, set up the most standard buffet they've ever seen in their lives.
Wow.
We are going to decorate the place, provide chairs, provide tents, provide drinks, provide entertainment, provide water, and throughout that whole day, we are going to be sharing love with them. Yeah, the door and then paibo any hope ebinumu families are abandoned or more ebinumu like they are hopeless there until the end of ebi cry incarcerated. They are never coming out again. But until they take their last breath, what have we done as fellow human beings to show them that humanity is still better than judgment? Nti saa day no ma bomb me homodin atro letters amam penyinfo a omo within the northern region ne say omumbra honum, because on a normal day me hu say me boss bi kra be fa ha honorable computer gifek or me who saw for me there like the
chef me trying to abazna ehwehwe sisi a here support
and na make no yan kasaya mobilize certain resources to your capacity.
Okay.
But in America, imagine that is amount for coho, but that is the first time they are going to be having this kind of a treatment.
And what maybe a pedal to one or be pedals or support, and you know, not just that. Yeah, pedal program now, and we put out whatever content we can put out. Not the ones that are restricted. Okay. Yeah, person will share awareness to people that everyone can always eat and live some and go and support them. You know, o person wants so oboy number obet me reach here so 0240 148813 0240 148813 and across all my social media platforms. Who inbox here? You better how for handles can social media handles.
And you know, Facebook, Abdurazak Faila too. TikTok, celebrity chef, and Instagram, executive chef Faila.
Okay, chef Faila. Nyami sure papa akuma nya ezi de medwumezi bo bia so hie bia no bo bompe de binya na etum na ezidwumezi no waye kama papa nyami sure but that so that dey enya time anyama abo komo ezi no da Fantedol president for the Brothers and Sisters Association and impense mu papa she na orbodo nya kwasinsia mo hwe de motum ejina mu bia bejina mu zinzonzon wa ha de enti no no asamara nyen mo sordo nyame yadoma e be hye na yehia.